If you're posting on YouTube and no one is stopping to watch your videos, the main reason is because you're not getting them to stop the scroll. And lucky for you, that's something that we can fix fast. So over the next few minutes, I'm going to share one of the main reasons that people aren't watching your videos and how to fix it. I have a 9-point checklist that, when followed, has helped my clients get millions of views on YouTube, and all of that organically. Drop a comment on this video and I will share it with you. I don't need your email or anything like that. I'll also include a footer that you can cut and paste and personalize and use in the description of all your YouTube videos. For those that don't know me, my name is Nina Clear. I have helped my clients get millions of views on YouTube when, before they started working with me, one of my clients had over 400 videos, so a lot of videos. And as he said, my mom and her friends were watching. So he had like 8 views per video. I got him, one of his highest ranking videos has now almost 400,000 views, and his whole channel has over 1 million. So we can do it with you too. Now, this is the second in a series of 10 videos. They're each going to have one strategy that you can implement immediately, and you're going to start increasing your views organically. That might take a little time, but it's going to happen. And again, in this short video, I'm going to share why people aren't stopping and watching your video. This is an exercise I want you to do. Obviously, when you're not watching this video, go to YouTube, search in the bar, and just scroll down. And notice what catches your eye. And for some reason, people don't recognize this when they post their own videos. What makes you stop your scroll? Okay? If your thumbnail is not compelling, people aren't going to stop. So, what does your thumbnail need to look like to get people to stop? Number 1, thumbnails with faces are what stop people the most. Not a whole body, face with eyes looking at the screen. If you want to know persuasion techniques, men respond best to female faces. Females respond best to female faces. So you can either use your own face, or yes, the sin of all sins, you can use stock photos. Shh, don't say anything to anybody. Okay. Females actually respond best to babies, but don't use babies. Okay. We don't want to get into that issue, so don't use babies. Use your own face or use the stock photo. You want to have the face, you want to have it looking at the camera. It doesn't even have to be smiling, happy, sad. I mean, you could do crazy faces, whatever you want. Just have it looking at the screen. Don't repeat your title, the headline of your video, on your thumbnail. That's freaking lazy. Like, you have real estate. You have 2 places of real estate to attract people: on your thumbnail, on your headline title, and to have them say the same thing is a waste. Do better there. Okay. In your thumbnail, try to use 5 words or less. So you remember when like Twitter had 160 characters or less? You want even fewer than that. This is a great exercise in improving your copywriting techniques. 5 words or less on your thumbnail. Use bright colors. Make sure they don't match the YouTube colors. So when I go into YouTube on my phone, it's black. So I wouldn't use a black thumbnail. So it's just going to blend in. On my computer, it's white with red. So again, you'd want to avoid white with red. So green, blue, yellow, things like that. It's going to make it stand out. Make sure you put a thumbnail on every video. And if you don't know how to put a thumbnail on there, let me know. I'll do a Loom for you and show you how, because it's super fast and easy. Branding, your company branding, is not as important as making sure people know why they should stop. What is in it for them? What are they going to learn from stopping? Now, you can use the same colors over and over again, and that's your branding for you, but the problem that you get into there is if people go to your page and they scroll down and they see all these thumbnails that look the same, they might think, oh, I've already seen that. And that's why I think you should alternate the colors and the faces on it, so that people are lazy. They might not even read the words on it. So they just glance at it and then they're like, oh, I've seen it or not, right? So then where should you make your thumbnails? It doesn't really matter. If you're like some amazing graphic designer, go for it. Or if you're not, go to Canva. And here's the other thing. I am not a graphic designer, and I've had people tell me, Nina, your graphics are terrible, or your graphics suck, but you know what? My graphics get my clients' views and they get my clients' sales. So which do you care about? So if you go to Canva, you can create them. You can put in YouTube thumbnail and it'll bring up a whole bunch of templates that you can just stick your pictures and your words and your colors in. Super fast and easy. So here's what you have to remember, right? If you don't get people to stop and watch your videos, you don't get people to buy. So make sure your thumbnails are getting people to stop. Remember to drop me a comment below. I don't need your email, anything like that. I'm going to send you a checklist with the top 9 things that you need to do to optimize your YouTube channel to get people watching all organically. Okay, this is not with ads. It's going to be all organically. And I'm going to include a footer that you can copy and paste and personalize and put in every description of all your videos, and it's going to help you get more views. Thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for number 3.